If you're done guessing who's at your door, missing deliveries, or dealing with porch pirates helping themselves to your packages, this is for you. Today, we're counting down the 5 best video doorbells that give you a clear view of your front door around the clock. We're covering everything from affordable, no-frills options to premium dual camera systems, all packed with HD video, smart motion alerts, and two-way audio that actually works when it matters. Whether you've got existing doorbell wiring or need a fully battery-powered setup, there's something here for you. I've also added updated links with the best current pricing in the description below. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell and Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Taking the top spot is the Ring Battery Doorbell, along with the upgraded Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. The standard version usually costs $100 to $130, while the Pro model ranges from $180 to $230, depending on sales. Ring basically created the video doorbell category, and after years of refinement, it still delivers one of the most reliable experiences available. The standard model records in 1080p HD, while the Pro steps things up to 1536p HDR with a taller aspect ratio that captures head-to-toe views and packages on the ground. Night vision on both models is excellent, providing clear detail even in complete darkness. Ring's motion detection is one of its biggest strengths. You get highly customizable motion zones, sensitivity controls, and accurate person detection that cuts down on false alerts. Two-way audio is clear with good echo cancellation, and the Pro adds pre-roll video, letting you see what happened just before motion was triggered. Both models support quick replies, allowing you to send pre-recorded messages like "Please leave the package at the door" with a single tap. The Ring app is polished, fast, and easy to use, and Alexa integration is seamless with announcements and live views on Echo devices. Ring Protect subscriptions start at $5 per month per device, offering up to 180 days of video history, or $10 monthly for unlimited devices, which is great if you have multiple Ring cameras. Without a subscription, you still get live view and alerts, but no video history. Battery life averages 2 to 3 months, and both models can be hardwired for continuous power. Optional Ring chime units let you add indoor alerts throughout your home. Number 2. Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, Dual Camera. Coming in at number 2 is the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, and this one stands out thanks to its dual camera design. Pricing typically falls between $150 and $200, often around $170 to $180, which is impressive considering you're getting 2 cameras in one device and no required subscription. The main front-facing camera records in 2K resolution with a wide 160-degree field of view, delivering sharp, detailed footage with solid HDR. The second downward-facing camera records in 1080p, giving you a dedicated view of packages on the ground. This dual camera setup lets you see faces and packages at the same time, making it ideal for tracking deliveries and catching porch pirates. AI detection identifies people, packages, and vehicles, while night vision on both cameras remains clear in total darkness. All recordings are stored locally on the included home base, which comes with 16 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable if needed. That means you get advanced detection and recording without paying monthly fees. Battery life averages 2 to 3 months, charging via USB-C, and you can also hardwire it for constant power. The Eufy Security app is fast, responsive, and highly customizable. Number 3. Blink Video Doorbell. At number 3 is the Blink Video Doorbell, Amazon's budget-friendly option that delivers serious value. Pricing usually sits between $50 and $80, with most deals landing around $60 to $70, making it one of the most affordable video doorbells worth considering. It records in 1080p HD, which is perfectly fine for identifying visitors and monitoring deliveries. Daytime video looks good, while night vision is functional but basic. Motion detection is reliable, and motion zones help reduce false alerts. Two-way audio works well for quick conversations, and the doorbell runs on 2 AA batteries, with real-world battery life ranging from several months to over a year depending on activity. Blink's biggest advantage is flexibility. You can use it without any subscription, and by adding a Blink Sync Module 2 with a USB drive, you get local recording with no monthly fees. Cloud storage is optional and affordable. Setup is fast, the app is simple, and Alexa integration works flawlessly with Echo Show displays. Number 4. Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen. At number 4 is the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, second generation. Pricing typically ranges from $130 to $180, with most listings around $150. It records in 2K resolution with a 1:1 square aspect ratio, giving you a wide, practical view of your porch. Image quality is sharp with HDR support, and Arlo's detection system can identify people, packages, vehicles, and animals. Night vision is clear, two-way audio is reliable, and there's even a built-in siren you can activate from the app. One standout feature is Arlo's call-style alerts, where the doorbell can ring your phone like an incoming call when someone presses the button. Battery life usually lasts 2 to 3 months. Charging via USB-C. For full functionality, you'll need the Arlo Secure subscription, starting at $5 per month per camera. Number 5. Google Nest Doorbell, Wired and Battery. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the Google Nest Doorbell, available in both wired and battery-powered versions. Pricing usually falls between $180 and $230, placing it in the mid-range category. It records in 1200p HDR with a taller 3:4 aspect ratio, allowing you to see faces and packages at the same time. Google's AI detection is excellent, accurately identifying people, packages, animals, and vehicles. Night vision is sharp, two-way audio is solid, and integration with Google Assistant and Nest displays is seamless. However, many of the best features require a Nest Aware subscription, starting at $6 per month. Without it, you only get limited event history.